All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we got a 1080p USB-C capture card by this company called Warrky. Hopefully I'm saying their name right, and we're just gonna hop right into it. It's not gonna be a long video. Just gonna show you guys this card right here. It's a 1080p USB-C card right here, and it's for all you guys that want to play your Xbox or your PC or your Switch, or you want to plug your computer directly up into your headset without any frame rate drops. This one got 60 frames per second. Is when you don't have any internet connection and you just want to go right from your PC to your headset. Now check it out. All you have to do is turn your headset to the side right here. Pick this up out of here. Take this card. And right here is your USB-C. You just plug it right in. Boom, just like that. Then you take this in right here. And you plug this in up into whatever, your PC, your Xbox, your Switch, your PlayStation, and it's gonna go right directly to your headset, right to the HDMI link app that's on your Quest. That's all. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's great. And once you plug that in, that's it. So it's real easy, real to the point. This card been working great. The best thing about this card is 20 bucks with the 40% link also attached to in the description. I'll leave it in the description. It's 40% off. This comes out to be $12. $12 for this card. That's it. If you're looking for a capture card and you're looking for something that's really simple, that's durable, and that's great on the pockets, grab this. And let me show you one thing that I wish they did have though, is right here. When you plug this in, boom, like that. And then I have a battery pack. Always have a battery on the back of my thing right here. So I wish I can plug this up into here, right here. I wish I can plug this right in here, and then right there, it'll charge it, but it doesn't have that. Where it does have it at, it's on this end right here. It's on this end. So this end is going to be closer to your computer or your Xbox or wherever the case where your HDMI is at. And you're going to have to plug it in here. Now you can go through the back of your Xbox or your PlayStation, plug one up in here, or you can plug it directly into the wall, but it will charge your headset. A good thing about it though is that it uses the wall power, and you get that wall power to your headset instead of wasting your battery. But for me, convenient wise, it would have been better right here. Maybe they come out with another version that does that. But for $12, I can't really complain about it. But I also like to always give you guys options. I like having a whole bunch of options. I use these things all the time. I use 2 of them inside my Mac when I'm working from home. They're always good to have, and for 12 bucks, it's a no-brainer. All right, I will leave the link and the 40% off in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I catch you on the next video. Peace.